Hi you guys, this is me, SC, and I'm back with another mukbang. I'm gonna say my grace and tell you what I have. Amen. So I have my Blove sauce again. I have some shrimp, eggs, sausage, potatoes. I have some jasmine rice. And I have too many cucumbers that I forgot to cut the ends off. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm at ends off. Ends off. Y'all know what I got going on. I need to get myself together. I'm having a little cough or whatever. Anyway, so yeah. I have some red sausages. They're not my lumberjacks, but they could be alright. And I'm hungry. I ain't had nothing since this morning when I had my super greens with my whatever that stuff is. What is it? I think of it next year. It is called ground flax seeds. That's what I'm thinking of. I had my shades I was gonna wear them, but it looked kind of crazy. But I got my girl Bonbon. I'm not gonna do that much talking to this when I say that, but then I might start talking, but yeah. Y'all, this sauce is still good. I just added some more onions to it. Well, a whole onion. Got no trash bowl. Trash bowl, baby. Y'all got a whole roll of paper towels. It is quiet in here. I'm home alone, no kids. 2 are with their grandfather. 1 is in daycare. And the mama is home. I decided to put this in the bigger bowl today. So I can have more space. It's a big mess. Stuff flying out of my mouth. I don't know what I got this rice for. Cause I wanted it, that's why, girl. Like I say, this is the rice, sausage, cucumber, shrimp, potatoes, eggs. Put my cucumbers in the bowl. I do also have some lemonade too. A little ice. I wanted some water, but then I was like, I want some lemonade too. School start back Monday for me, and the following Monday for the kids. People always ask me, do I be glad my kids go back to school? And my answer always is, it doesn't bother me because I love being around my kids. Even though sometimes they try to drive me somewhere I don't want to go. I love being around them. And this is the Uncle Ben's jasmine rice that you put in the microwave for 90 seconds to squeeze bag. Love overboard. So can't help myself. And these are the little red potatoes from Walmart. The shrimp are from Sam's Club. A big bag. Y'all see the mess that I make when I eat? It's not intentional. I put my sausage in here and my shrimp. I mean my potatoes. I rewarmed the sauce back on the stove because I did not want the glass to break in the microwave. My glass bowl with the sauce, I think I broke 3 of them. It's busted right in the microwave. Little onion. I think these are the Tar Heel links. I'm not sure, but I know they're red links. Tanae picked them out and she not here. She won't be back till Thursday. And I don't want them to go bad sitting in the refrigerator. So, I decided to cook them up. Still not using my tripod. I think I need to get the one I had before, the little small one that don't go up too high. Because that big one, it wouldn't do right. Even on the lowest, and it ain't do right. This stuff is hot. Not really hot in heat, but hot in temperature. I thought almost the food was gonna get cold for taking so long. Take it so long. Yeah, I thought I had missed Jasir equipment pickup, but it's this Saturday because I attended the parade and I was freaking out. And luckily it's not till this weekend, this Saturday. But I'm supposed to get my hair done, so I have to go later. I started going to bed super early. Not too early, but I need to go earlier. I was up until 1:30 this morning. 1:30 in the morning. For no good reason. Watching a live video. Should have been asleep. I think I'm cooking my shrimp more in that sauce because it's hot. Hi y'all, this is me, SC. Welcome to my channel. Welcome and welcome back. I probably did, but I don't remember. Memory is important. And when you lose it, I will remember. You have to speak positive. You're not plucked that louder, girl. I was like, where did the light come from? But I moved the bottle. It wasn't much difference, but it was a little bit. Me and y'all still watch Till Death Do Us Part, I think. It was a good movie. I watched it like 3 times. The first time I was kind of scared. I think I finished it. And have one more shrimp. One more shrimp, child. My rice tastes like cucumber water. I ate a lot of rice, 2 sausages, an egg, and some potatoes, and I think I'm about to be done. Thanks for doing your part. You sure are smart. You know, with me and you and my dog Blue, we can do anything that we wanna do. I know you have to watch what y'all tell people, because they can use it against you, or they will. They can and they will. I don't even gotta be in a court of law. It can be on the street. Watch what you say to people. You can't repeat it. If you don't want it held against you, keep it to yourself. Keep your lips together. Yeah, I'm full. I should look at all this food. 2, 4, 6, 7. I don't know how many potatoes I cooked. I cooked the rest of the bag because I was planning to do a mukbang before, months ago, and I never did, and I kept buying stuff for the potatoes, and they kept growing, the little whatever you call them. So I didn't want that to happen this time. And then it was getting soft. Like, instead of hard potatoes, it was soft. Anyway, I'm gonna show you my shades. Yeah, I'm about to be out of here. It's like super quiet in here. I should have did my mukbang with my shade shit, and I'll be glad when I get my hair done. I'm getting crochet, Senegalese, but I have to wash my hair because it has like a, a hairy smell, and then it's packed up in a bag. So yeah, I'm going to soak it in apple cider vinegar, then I'm going to shampoo it, and then I'm going to condition, and it's going to be good. And that's about it. I did my niece's hair last night. It was so pretty. Tanae doesn't let me braid her hair and put beads on it anymore. And so I found glory in doing my niece's hair with the beads and the braids. With the braids and the beads. I did 2 rows. And the top beads and the bottom row. The top and the bottom row of the beads are not the same. I just decided to switch it up. It was kind of inspired by this girl that I follow on Instagram. Her name is Miss Posh, I think. Anywho, y'all, I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this boring video. I'm not much of a talker. I mean, I am, but I really have nothing to talk about. But my life is, like, boring. I have 3 kids. Everybody know I go to school. I go to work. That's it. I always got a bonnet on my head, but my bonnet smell good. I just got some on my head, but it smell good. And that's it. Okay. That's it. My hair is in a ponytail, but it's like poofed up. So I didn't think y'all want to see that disaster, okay? But when I get my crochet, y'all know me back swinging and stuff, okay? Isn't she lovely? Y'all want a song of the day? Everybody been listening to On Chill, Wale, and let me see, because I don't want to say that. I know it's Wale. I got a lot of songs because y'all been missing a lot of songs of that day. Party Next Door. The song is called Break from Toronto. Break from Toronto by Party Next Door. Let's see the other song. Rick Ross album just came out. It just gave me a notification. I'm going to listen to that later. But the first thing is ironic that it says Act a Fool featuring Wale. We're just talking about Wale. Let me go to On Chill. Jeremiah. It's Wale and Jeremiah. I listened to Rick Ross and Nipsey Higher. Keep taking me higher and higher. For the oldies but goodies, I was listening to Promises by Christopher Williams. And Old Friend by Phyllis Hyman. What else? This all. I don't want to overdo it with the songs. A Fool for You by Alice Smith. Hopeless, Donnie Ferris. I think, yeah, that was the other song in the other video. And that's it, I guess. Ain't Gonna Beg You by Fantasia. No, I ain't gonna beg you no more. Sick and tired of waiting, don't know what I'm waiting for. You know you don't treat me like you should. You know I'm about to get up out this. I love y'all. Found my what's the name? I gotta get it together. No. Peace. Oh, make sure y'all be you and be true, okay?